Hey guys! Probably the first weird thing you're going to encounter in the Nakia knit along are the twisted stitches in the first section. When it's just one stitch, you can just knit through the back loop like you would normally twist a stitch by knitting into the back here. But when you get to the twos and the threes, you want to do something slightly different. So you can imagine this is going to be your next two where you're going to twist. And you just slide those onto a DPN or a cable needle, whatever you have handy, and give them a 180 turn. Just like that. They will look really wonky and strange. And then you want to knit the two of them. They're going to be hard to separate, but just separate them with your pointy needle and knit them. And it'll be twisted like that. It'll look better as you go. Just like a cable, it'll relax out a little bit. And when you get to three, these aren't in the same row, but just figured I'd show you the three too. Take the three, twist it around 180 degrees, and then just knit those three, even though they're trying to crunch in together there. 1, 2, 3. And that's probably the only weird thing in the first section. So I hope you're having fun with it. Thanks. Bye-bye.